Freecash is a popular get paid to app that promises easy money for simple online tasks, but in 2026, is Freecash legit or just another scam? Let's break it down quickly. What is Freecash? Freecash is a rewards platform where users earn money by completing surveys, downloading and testing apps, playing games, signing up for free trials. You can earn coins, which can be redeemed for real cash or gift cards. How do you get paid? Fresh Cash pays through PayPal, crypto, gift cards like Amazon and Steam. The payout threshold is low, usually starting around half a dollar to $5, depending on the reward. Is Fresh Cash a scam? Short answer no. Fresh Cash is not a scam. Many users do get paid and payouts are usually fast. However, there are important downsides. Surveys can disqualify you after spending time. Some offers do not track correctly. Earnings are inconsistent. Support can be slow if something goes wrong. So while it's legit, it is not guaranteed money. How much can you really earn? Realistically, casual users earn from $5 to $20 per month. Active users from $30 to $100 per month. This is side cash, not a full-time income. Pros and cons. Let's start with the pros. Legit payouts, low withdrawal minimum, multiple payment options. And for the cons, we have time-consuming surveys, offers tracking issues, not available in all countries equally. Final verdict. Fresh Cash in 2026 is legit but limited. It's good for earning small extra cash in your free time, but do not expect serious income. If you treat it as a bonus app, not a job, you won't be disappointed. But my advice to you, do not even try it. And that's all for our today's review. If you found it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.